Have you ever wondered why the solar plexus chakra is considered the powerhouse of our spiritual being? This energy center, also known as Manipura, is the third chakra, and it's located in the stomach area. It is responsible for our self-esteem, willpower, and ability to achieve our goals. When it's balanced, we feel confident, motivated, and ready to conquer the world. But what happens when it's blocked? Blockages in the solar plexus chakra can manifest as feelings of self-doubt, helplessness, and a lack of control over our lives. It's like trying to drive a car with the handbrake on. We're unable to move forward and reach our full potential. But fear not, for there are various strategies to heal and balance this vital energy center. One of these strategies is the solar plexus chakra diet. This diet focuses on incorporating yellow foods, such as bananas, sweet corn, and lemons, as well as whole grains and legumes into your meals. These foods are not only nourishing for your body, but they also stimulate and balance the solar plexus chakra. Another healing practice is the mudra, or hand gesture, associated with the solar plexus chakra. This mudra is performed by placing your hands in front of your stomach, slightly below your solar plexus. Then, join your fingers at the tops, all pointing away from you. Cross the thumbs and straighten the fingers. This is a symbol of personal power, and it's believed to promote confidence and inner peace. Crystals are also a great tool for healing the solar plexus chakra. Amber, tiger's eye, yellow calcite, and citrine are just a few examples of crystals that resonate with the solar plexus chakra. These crystals can be held during meditation, worn as jewelry, or placed on the body to help balance the chakra. In addition to these strategies, journaling can also be a powerful tool for solar plexus chakra healing. Writing down your thoughts and feelings can help you identify any blockages or imbalances in your chakra. It's also a great way to reflect on your personal growth and achievements. Finally, guided meditation can be an effective way to balance the solar plexus chakra. By visualizing a bright yellow light in your stomach area, you can stimulate the chakra and promote inner peace and confidence. To recap, the solar plexus chakra is vital for our self-esteem, motivation, and willpower. When it's blocked, we may feel self-doubt and a lack of control over our lives. However, strategies such as a specific diet, mudra, crystals, journaling, and guided meditation can help heal and balance this chakra. Join Marcus Christolight of Sacred Light, Healing and Wellness on April 27th at 3:33 p.m. Eastern Standard Time for an empowering solar plexus Zoom Flowshop. Visit sacredlight33as.me to book your spot now or find the link in the bio description. Don't miss this unique opportunity to bring healing balance to your solar plexus chakra and unlock your full potential.